literally good for all skin types. You could have a mature skin type, you could have dry, oily, combination. It's going to benefit all skin types. What I love is that they're incredibly customizable. So we can turn up the exfoliation, we can turn it way down, we can be really gentle, we can be a little more aggressive, we can be very treatment based. So they're great for all skin types, and they're super hydrating and super nourishing. So a HydraFacial is going to be cleansing, it's going to be exfoliating. There's a portion that we say it's a peel, but you're not going to actually peel and shed from it. It's just going to really help to loosen up any of the dead skin cells, any oil filaments, any dirt, anything that's clogging your pores. It's going to help to loosen that up so that when we do the extractions, which is the next step, everything kind of just comes out smoothly. And then after that, we infuse with antioxidants and hyaluronic acid as well as peptides. And then I always finish it up with some serums, moisturizer, and sunscreen, little lip treatment, little eye treatment. So I always say to try to not wear makeup for as long as you can. But also I have a lot of patients that will come right before a big event, whether it's a wedding or a party, or they're going on vacation, or they're coming back from vacation. So you kind of want to push it out as long as you can, but you can wear makeup same day if you absolutely have to. Definitely want to make sure your makeup brushes are clean and that whatever you're applying your makeup with has been freshly sanitized. There is absolutely no downtime with a HydraFacial, and hopefully you are always wearing a broad spectrum SPF 50 on a regular basis. So you don't necessarily need to avoid the sun, but at the same time you don't want to be out in the sun because we are chemically exfoliating as well as physically exfoliating, so the skin is a little bit more vulnerable, but as long as you have a good sunscreen and you're protecting yourself, it should be good. Injectables. So you can either do the HydraFacial before you do your fillers or your Botox, or you can do it after. So if you're gonna do same day, you wanna do HydraFacial and then your fillers or your Botox. They are going to cleanse the area with an alcohol swab to make sure that it's fully sanitized and sterile. So in that case, if you love the way your skin feels and you love the way the products feel, you might want to schedule them for separate days, but essentially you can schedule same day, or if you're going to do it after, if it's fillers, you're going to do your fillers, wait a full 2 weeks, and then come get your HydraFacial. And if it's going to be Botox or Dysport, wait about 3 to 5 days and then get your HydraFacial. So it is not necessarily a calming spa facial. It's a very results-driven treatment, but at the same time, it is relaxing, and I do like to incorporate a lot of facial massage, a little bit of lymphatic drainage, and some more serene aspects to it. But I mean, you can fall asleep or you can talk the whole time, and it really just depends on the person. So results are definitely immediate. The duration that they're gonna last for is really dependent on you and what you're using in your home care. So I always suggest, you've been on a retinol, to use your retinol that night and to wait a couple days before exfoliating. Same thing with vitamin C. You do want to continue using your vitamin C. I would say it lasts like a solid week, and then you kind of notice that your skin maybe isn't as hydrated or as nourished, and obviously over time the pores clog, the oils fill up, things happen, and so we suggest coming back in 4 to 6 weeks to get treatment again. So because I suggest getting them monthly, I would say 12 a year. You do definitely want to kind of plan your treatments. So if you're doing things like chemical peels, you can definitely do them in the same month. You just want to make sure that the skin is fully healed and that you're giving yourself time in between. But same thing with like microneedling. We do have patients that will get microneedling and then schedule their HydraFacial for 3 to 4 weeks out from the microneedling treatment. So really just having a plan and working together.